Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Parity Executive Draughtsman Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are Part A, chrome foot ring. Part B, gas strut with height extension. Part C, 5-star aluminium base. Part D, 5 braking casters. Part E, seat pad. Part F, mechanism. Part G, 1 pair of arms. Part H, seat back. Part I, 4 25mm bolts. Part J, 6 38mm bolts. Part K, 1, 2 60mm bolts. Part K, 2, 2 50mm bolts. Part L, 1 4mm Allen key. Part M, 1 5mm Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base, Part C, and insert the casters, Part D, into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the 5-star base over. Push the gas strut extension into the foot ring, ensuring that the holes are pointing towards the bottom of the chair, and then drop them into the centre of the 5-star base. Place the gas strut into the gas strut extension. Lift the foot ring into the desired position and tighten the adjusting bolt. Using the 6 38mm long bolts, Part J, attach the arms to the seat pad. Each arm is marked underneath with either L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, attach the mechanism, Part F, onto the seat base, making sure the front of the mech points to the front of the seat base using the 4 Part I 25mm bolts. Do not fully tighten the bolts until they're all located. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 2 60mm long bolts, Part K, 1 in the back 2 holes, and the 2 50mm bolts, Part K, 2 in the front 2 holes. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. With the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. To complete the job, locate the foot ring into your preferred position and tighten the foot ring securing clamp. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your Parity Executive Draughtsman Chair is complete. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.